Subby is here. Sally's obviously told him that I've replenished the nut bar, and she's brought her hubby along. He's a rugged man, squirrel. You can tell he's a bit manky. You can tell their sex by how long their tail is. She's got a really long tail. See? Whereas the blokes, hey, don't beat on your wife. The blokes have a shorter tail. He looks quite old. Hey, mate. He's got a totally different face to Sal. He looks like he's had a life. You've had a life, haven't you, mate? You're all itchy and manky. Oh, really? Glad you're not in here. Make sure you leave some for Sal. Sal doesn't know what to do. I love you, Sal. I love you. Maybe it's her dad. He looks quite old. Either way, it's very exciting to have 2 customers at the nut bar. We nearly had a third, but I think this is like a squirrel elder, because the other one ducked its head in and then kind of left. Anyway, it's great entertainment. He looks like he's hungry. Good on you, Subby. Sally, what are you looking at? Hiya. Don't be scared.